Hello and welcome to another Electric World video featuring the latest news about EV World. This time, we are discussing hot news about Elon Musk's visit to Giga Berlin and Tesla's next generation Model Y with 4,680 cells. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. It helps you get notified when we post more content just like this. Let's get started. Elon Musk arrived in Germany on May 17th for a technical visit to the Giga Berlin. The economic minister recently addressed the delay reports, stating that the delay will be closer to 2 to 3 weeks rather than 6 months. Furthermore, Elon Musk confirmed on Twitter when people started to ask about the 4,680 battery cells in the Tesla Model Y. Following a visit to the project site on Tuesday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk urged suppliers to speed up their efforts to deliver the next generation Model Y at Gigafactory Berlin. During a media scrum, Elon Musk said that Tesla plans to begin production at the factory by the end of the year, which is later than the original target of July 2021. Musk also expressed dissatisfaction with the German bureaucracy, which has yet to grant the automaker the necessary permission to begin manufacturing. Musk pleaded with Tesla Gigafactory Berlin suppliers to speed up their efforts after a full day in Germany. At the same time, Elon Musk stated that the new Model Y would have much higher engineering standards, which may redefine German engineering. Musk said Tesla will be aiming for extreme precision with next-gen Model Y microns, not millimeters. Elon said that he was reviewing all aspects of the new Model Y production system with the team, and that he was delighted with the talent. This tweet indicates that Tesla intends to increase build quality down to the micron, a unit of measurement equal to 1/1000th of a millimeter. The term German engineering has been used for decades to describe the precision and accuracy that German products are known for. Throughout the past of the automobile industry, German automobiles have been widely known as the most luxurious, high-quality vehicles that money can afford. Germany had the best machines and the most modern processes for designing almost everything in the early days of industry and engineering, but automobiles were the specialty. Strict standards and a perfectionist mentality made German cars the top of the crop in the automobile industry. In many ways, this theory still remains strong in today's market. Although other businesses and regions have highly efficient automotive production systems, Germany retains a certain mystique. German innovation also maintains a high quality with brands such as Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and BMW, three of the most luxurious brands in the car industry today. When it comes to the phrase German engineering, Tesla intends to reinvent the wheel. Since Elon Musk revealed that Tesla's first European Gigafactory will be in Germany 18 months ago, several developments have pointed to Giga Berlin being the most modern and sophisticated factory Tesla has in its arsenal. Tesla is pulling out all the stops to compete with Germany's best brands, from a modern, world-class paint facility to some of the most advanced technology on the planet. Musk stated in a tweet yesterday that Tesla was aiming for extreme precision with its next generation Model Y. Tesla will strive for micron level precision rather than millimeter level precision as it continues to refine its manufacturing processes to produce some of the highest quality vehicles on the planet. Tesla has previously been criticized for the low construction standard of some of its cars. Some customers have pointed out panel gaps or paint quality problems with their cars, leading to the widespread belief that Tesla manufactures lackluster vehicles. The reality is that all car makers have build quality problems from time to time. A simple rise in production volume will affect vehicle quality. Some, however, such as automobile veteran Sandy Munro, said that Tesla's build quality has greatly improved over the years. Munro went from being extremely critical of the Model 3 after a teardown a few years ago to being overwhelmingly impressed with the car's new builds. Munro stated, "This car has improved significantly. The paint is great, it's very impressive." Tesla's target for the next generation all-electric Model Y crossover is incredibly precise. A micron is 1/1000th of a millimeter, making it a unit that is not always visible to the human eye. If Tesla will optimize its production lines in Berlin to this level, the definition of German engineering can be reconfigured to include Tesla's near-perfect build quality. So far, all that was known about Giga Berlin was that it would have a battery manufacturing cell. Elon Musk, on the other hand, is unveiling the information one by one as he visits the factory. His response to a tweet that asked, "Will Austin start by 2170 Model Y or jump straight to 4680?" He answered 4680 with no further details. It makes no mention of the models that will be available at Giga Berlin. The factory, on the other hand, would supply all of Europe. As Giga Texas begins to manufacture 4680 battery cell models, the Berlin factory will most likely have the most recent models. The Texas factory is currently in the process of building a 4680 battery cell manufacturing facility. And the battery is a game changer because it has more power than any other EV maker and is more strong than a gasoline-powered vehicle. In terms of range and capability, such competitiveness with fuel-powered vehicles is needed to attract the attention of buyers. Elon Musk previously stated during the Q1 earnings calls that the battery factory is 14 to 18 months away from producing 4680 battery cells. However, he also stated that limited production would begin by the end of the year. There was no info about how limited of which model it was, but he has now clarified that it is for the Model Y. Along with the new battery pack, Tesla is expected to make other changes to the next generation Model Y. Tesla, for example, is using the new structural battery pack to connect the large front and rear underbody parts, resulting in a simple 3-part underbody for the whole car. On top of the new battery pack structure, the automaker is expected to make several other improvements to the vehicle's design, which could reduce weight and make the Model Y more powerful. Gigafactory Berlin was supposed to be the first manufacturing site for the new Model Y, but Gigafactory Texas seems to be catching up quickly. That was all for today and the latest news we knew about Tesla, and thanks for watching the video. If you want to continue to learn about everything regarding Tesla's next projects and Elon Musk or electric vehicles, we've got 2 more video options for you on the screen to check out. And don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and subscribe to our Electric World channel for daily content just like this.